Let's go, Evie. Dry one here.
Solid.
Have fun.
Let's go, Evie. Get some rhythm. Here we go.
Not your pitch.
Come on, Nine. Let's go. Here we go. All right, Evie.
He's on the other side of the room. I think he comes here to see her pitch.
Come on, Evie.
More than just one run.
Here we go, Evie.
Let's go 9-9.
Come on, Evie. There it is.
Yeah, Evie, way to work. Oh, yeah. Time to punish. That's right. Big point. Big little video.
Always good idea.
That's half the thing, man. She's more creative than you do it. You just need to start. You got a couple personal assistants. You can make a lot, right? Think about that.
Get a lot done.
1 or 2 personal assistants.
We play 8, 9:30, and then 12:30.
That's right.
Then we break at 11.
Hey, Mitza, let's go.
Come on, Mitza. Here it is.
Taco.
Let's go, Mitz.
That was the coach.
Oh yeah, Mitch.
Nice stop,
This
kid.
way.
Keep your head down.
Let's get a couple here. Let's give it a ride. A little change.
Yeah, good.
Let's do it earlier. Yeah,
Let's
double
throw it
steer.
in.
You will want to taste it too. To table. And another one. Get up, get up, get up.
Down, down, down.
Yes. All right. There's a ribby. And that could be the most crooked third baseline I've ever seen. Right? It's almost drinking a little bit last night, huh? Running the chalk line? Looks like definitely some mixed drinks.
This team
What's the question?
What?
What's the question?
maybe he said if he's doing
Mitchell, let's
Gotta
go.
protect now, kid.
Confidence.
Right? Gotta be good though, right? Look up.
Here we go, drive it. Good eye.
Go, go.
Go, get here.
Oh yeah, man, it's way to work it.
Never look at them.
Here we go.
This is loaded double.
Good. I smell double. How's that double?
Remember the basics.
Oh yeah, man.
There you go, man. Way to be
This way.
aggressive. Way to be aggressive. There it is.
Yes! Yes! Go, 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 go! Yes! Oh!
Oh, we'll take the hit.
Hey, good hit, man!
She hit. She hits herself.
The bases. Wow, was that a ball? Woo! Nailed it. One hop to the fence. You need ice? I got
Yeah, it's too much water on this field. You need that much water because of the water on that back. Yeah, this one you have oh, she's going back. Oh, that was my double.
Oh, man. That would have been a triple.
Yeah.
That would have been a triple.
She grabbed her hand and held it.
Come on, here we go.
She's healed.
Is that? All right. And stealing. That's what I'm talking about. Hey, get out some man. There she is. Man, was that about?
You want to do the double, right? Yeah.
Moonshot. Yeah. If I'm scoring the book, I'm giving her a triple. Come on. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning.
Morning.
Thank you so much. Remember, Brad Payne for Daddy? Right. Moving around those bases. Oh, get back. Right. Go 1-4. With the bullet?
In the third.
Should put a cooler out here.
Weird dude.
I know. Yeah. Smack it, baby.
Good night, kid.
Oh yeah, 1-4. All right, who are you going to vote for?
Got this up.
See it, hit it.
Hustle,
Go,
hustle,
go, 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 go!
Safe.
All right. It's a ribby.
RBIs. First one and then
Let's go, Mella.
What a way to start the weekend. Woo! Go Five Tigers! Did you ever? I had a Scottsdale blonde. So
Chorizo burrito
don't
and
tell the wife,
enchilada.
though. Don't tell the wife. Yeah, it's always a good. What? That's a what? Yeah.
Anybody got scissors? I know we don't do like.
Scissors, knife. You guys? Scissors, knife. He's asking. I want cut some.
That bit over there. What's going on? She's right here. So 99 is 50. He has the 99 so it doesn't matter. But it's a defensive change then, right? That's all we have. Okay.
Keep fighting every week. You did a great job, sir.
One more, thank you. I thought you were going to yell at me.
Don't be yelling at me anymore, right? Don't be yelling at me anymore.
Hey, never again.
My mom used to yell at me.
Know the feelings. Believe me.
Now we know.
Here we go.
All right, here we go. Let's go, Cracker, Firecrackers. Oh, listen like country music in the beginning.
They do have a cheer where they say something about that.
Is that right? Yeah. She is, she'll be coming. Get down.
Come on, Mella.
Hey.
Now the game can finally start.
Yep.
We're still in the first inning.
Someone's asking about it.
Keep your head down, Mella. Put your head. On the ball.
That was good.
Got it, Mella.
Little pop. Pop, pop. You okay?
Go.
All right.
Come on, Casey. Let's go. Drive one.
All right. Here we go. Yeah. Yeah, Case.